We will use a bearing or gear puller to remove the front input shaft bearing. The plates of the puller have a flat side and an angled side. We need to assemble the puller so the flat side is against the bearing. This applies pulling force to the inner bearing race and avoids force on the rolling elements of the bearing. Bolt the plates together behind the bearing, flat side toward the bearing. These bolts should only be hand tight. If the plates are clamped tightly, they will damage the shaft. The bolts only need to prevent the plates from separating under load. Attach the remaining puller components as shown. After all components are assembled, advance the lead screw to hold everything in place. Use a wrench to turn the lead screw and apply pulling force to the bearing. Warning, use of an impact wrench for this action can damage the puller threads. Light oil applied to the shaft may ease removal. When the bearing is free, remove the puller assembly. Check the shaft for burrs or other damage. Apply light oil for lubrication. Verify bearing is clean and free of damage. If a press is not available, support the shaft on a firm surface and use an appropriately sized tool and a dead blow hammer to seat the bearing. Apply force to the inner race only when installing a bearing onto a shaft. No force should be transferred by the rolling elements of the bearing. The sound and feel of the hammer blows change noticeably when the bearing is fully seated. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.